Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some easy weight loss tips for beginners. Losing weight can be tough, but with a few simple changes, you can start seeing results in no time. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Drinking water is one of the easiest things you can do to help with weight loss. Not only does it help flush out toxins from your body, but it can also help you feel full, which can prevent overeating. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and try to replace sugary drinks with water whenever possible. Tip number 2. Watch your portion sizes. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to lose weight is eating too much. It's important to pay attention to your portion sizes and try to eat until you're about 80% full. You can also use smaller plates and bowls to help control your portions. Tip number 3. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber, which can help keep you full and satisfied. Try to include a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet, and aim for at least 5 servings a day. Tip number 4. Cut back on processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Try to limit your intake of processed foods, and focus on eating whole foods instead. Whole foods are foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Tip number 5. Move more. Exercise is an important part of any weight loss journey. You don't have to spend hours at the gym to see results. Try to incorporate more movement into your daily routine, like taking a walk after dinner or doing a quick workout in the morning. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 easy weight loss tips for beginners. Remember, losing weight is a journey, and it takes time and consistency to see results. But with these tips, you can start making progress towards your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.